2011, I've been working with the core team before I come on board as a volunteer and also as in terms of with Seed Student Alumni. It has been great. It has been a long journey. It has been fun to actually work with the Seed core team in Houston in terms of to coordinate workshops, and also they have been very helpful. I thank you guys for that, for being very helpful in terms of assisting me and giving me advice on how to run workshop, and also to deal with the logistics, for example, like the materials, the workshop, the pre-workshop, the post-workshop, and the blog post. So I think without the support from the core team and without the coaching from the core team, I won't be able to run the workshop as smooth as I thought actually.